What's up, y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. I'm going to be showing you this cute half up half down braidless crochet. As you can see, I did put my hair in two ponytails, one low ponytail and one high ponytail for the half up half down look. Ladies, it doesn't really matter about the bun in the back because I promise you the hair is going to cover it. The hair that we're going to be using is going to be the Outre Xpressions 3C Whirley Loop. Now, what I love so much about this hair is it does remind me of a kinky curly hair. I did get it in the standard color 1B, so it does blend in perfectly with my natural hair. And what I love so much about this hair is that it do come with the crochet loops already attached to the actual hair. So they're already separated and looped. They're separated, looped, and tied. As you can see, there is a small tie on it. You can just go ahead and pop that tie off the hair, and from there you'll get 4 pieces of hair in one. So it does have 4 pieces. You can go ahead and separate them and crochet them in one by one, or you can put the whole thing, or you can crochet the whole thing in there, which I'm going to demonstrate both ways. I went and I did the crocheting the whole thing through, but you can separate it if you would like to. So if you decide to put the whole thing in your head like I did without separating, I'm just going to show you here how I did that. So I'm going to push the tie all the way down, not all the way down, but push it down enough for you to stick your finger through the actual loop. And from there, you're going to crochet it in your hair as normal. But once you crochet it in and you tie the knot, you're actually going to secure it by pulling on the hair and making sure that the tie get as close as the knot as possible. After I finished the back, I noticed that I left too much hair out at the top. I wanted my half up, half down to start a little closer to the top part of my head. So what I did was I split the section in half. What I had already did, I put it in a ponytail like I had it before. I slicked it down with some Eco Styler gel, and I went ahead and I tucked it inside of the curly hair in the back, and then I went ahead and crocheted hair on top of that. So here you'll just see me taking the remainder portion of my hair. I'm just going to twist it up, and I am going to roll it up in a ball. You can roll it up in a ball like I'm doing so here, or you can go ahead and tuck it inside of your curls with some hairpins. I promise you, I did the tucking method. You're not going to be able to notice it. So you can do the ball method, or you can do the tucking method. The tucking method worked better for me. Just going to crochet the rest of the hair in. It's so simple and it doesn't take any time. I forgot to mention that my hair is moisturized under here, so definitely make sure that you moisturize your hair. You do not want to do a protective style with dry hair. So my hair is moisturized under here. after I was completely done with the look, I did go ahead and I molded my hair down with some Got To Be Glue styling gel. After I put the styling gel on, I went ahead and I tied it down while I was doing my makeup, and as you can see, it blended in so well. I am absolutely in love. As you can see, I am going to show you at the top where I went ahead and I tucked the top part of my ponytail inside of the curls. You will not be able to see it. It is undetectable. I promise you, this style I believe will last you at least 2-3 weeks. That's usually how long I keep my braidless crochet styles in. If you tie your hair up at night, you shouldn't have any problems. Meanwhile, I'm trying to contain myself because, as you can see, your girl got a new camera, and if you can't tell the quality from my iPhone to this, I don't even know what to tell you. I am feeling myself in this video. I did a full face of makeup, and I am absolutely in love with this look. I did go ahead and I fluffed the hair out. You can leave it as is, or you can fluff it out a little bit more. What I did was I took my brush and I kind of just brushed it through the curls to give it more of a natural, to get it out of its regular state into like a more natural state so it can blend better for me. And as you can see, you can do different styles with it. You can flip it over to the left or to the right. You can put it up in like a high bun, how some people be wearing their half up and half down. It's completely up to you. This is the look. I am absolutely in love with the way that this came out. I'm about to go on somebody's website and order me some more of this hair, because this is going to be one of my go-to styles. For this to only take an hour and a half, probably would have been an hour had I would have not had to go back and fix one of my mistakes. I just absolutely, look, I'm speechless. I can't even get my words out. But I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box below. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will catch y'all in my next video.